ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ àgbẹ̀bọ̀ dípọ̀mà ọkọ̀ tó fún ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ àgbẹ̀bọ̀ dípọ̀mà àtàwọn tó ń gbèjà àtàwọn tó ń gbèjẹ àtàwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ fún ẹ àtàwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ fún àtàwọn tó ń gbàgbọ́ fún ẹ tọmọtọmọ wọn ẹgbẹ́ tó kú nílé ni o ẹsẹ̀ màálù lójú mi lọ́sí ló máa pa ìwọ ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ àgbẹ̀bọ̀ dípọ̀mà ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì nítorí òun lọ ìlú tó máa pa ẹ tọmọtọmọ rẹ gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó ń gbèjà àgbẹ̀bọ̀ dípọ̀mà tọmọtọmọ wọn ẹsẹ̀ ní méjèèjì nítorí òun lọ ìlú tó máa pa yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ o àjẹ́kùn àjẹ́kí lẹ́lẹ́nu ọ̀tá ó kú lóore èrè mú lóore o àṣẹ tó wà lẹ́nu mi lẹ́yìn mo fi gé èkú burúkú nínú ìṣẹ̀dá.
Ìyá elépè of Africa or global and you say Tope should come and sing for this kind person. Their own is much. May they leave Lizzy alone. Okay, this one does not say anything wrong in that. Set and Welepe Agbaye. Yes, now this kind of person I they support and say may they leave Tope or may they leave Lizzy and Anjorin, may they leave them alone. This is the person Tope Alabi want to sing for. In fact, they for the drag Tope now as they drag Lizzy. Now so they for the drag Tope. See now they encourage them. But now NLN is Sempe. I'm currently on my way to my village while I receive a phone call concerning her current situation. Hope she's getting better now. Welcome to University of TikTok study. Watchology, what about you? With this, I can't even blame Tope for not even singing for her on her birthday. This is too much. Why are we blaming Tope Alabi for not singing for Yeye or Babalawo? If Tope Alabi sing for Lizzy, people will say they are in the same group. Anybody will blame Tope for not singing for this woman, na God go judge am. So shall it be for you and your generation in Jesus, because I will continue to love Queen Mother, Oloriburuku Omo Irankiran. In fact, the one that even struck me is Lizzy laying curses on people who are patronizing. This girl that is doing her business, she's even saying anybody supporting Iyaboojo and the rest of them, that all of those things will enter their head, those courses will enter their head. And I'm just like, And again, people who are patronizing Fola in her business. So you want them to be isolated, and I don't understand. You that you are talking, are you even clean? Are you even okay? Are you a saint? So people who are supporting you now, people should be laying curses on them. The only thing I hear people say is that these are the set of people. The people who are encouraging you, supporting you, they don't even know what they are talking about. So this is what you believe in. This Babalawo thing or this traditional whatever. And somebody was saying, because this is not the first time I'm seeing this kind of video laying curses on people. Somebody said, oh, she was just being playful with people's children. No, if everybody goes out and begin to act in this manner, you think this world will contain anybody? In fact, orí elépe lèpè ń lọ. Orí elépe òun lèpè ń lọ. The one, like I said, the one that struck me is people patronizing Fola Tinubu. So she should not say business again. She should just say, people should not. If you are saying, even people supporting, everybody can support anybody, just like some people are supporting you. Illegal. Wonder shall never end. A very good example of social media, never forget. No one knows what is written in our future and that of our children. So what if there is a bigger opportunity in abroad for the children? Now I see why Sister Tope refused to sing for her. God, you are so wonderful. Despite all her juju, then what happened? You people should allow Lizzy to breathe. Who is going to make her mother-in-law? She didn't even think of her children. Who is going to make her a mother-in-law? Egbami o. Lizzy ti padà wá ya nǹkan mi o. I did tell una say Lizzy spirit the IC units. Government should see to this. So what this lady is doing is very, very wrong. Have you people seen what made Tope Alabi to refuse to sing for her? So everybody now, and can't they appreciate Tope Alabi? Now can't they appreciate Tope Alabi? You are saying this woman, and you say this woman is okay. So now this one Tope Labi wan go sing for. Wallahi, Lizzy sabi act. You call it acting? Alagogo, ide wahala, no come too much like this. Lizzy, o ti wá ya nǹkan mi o. Ṣé na Babalawo una wan make Aunty Tope go sing for? Imagine what this woman is doing on social media. The whole world is watching. Ó mà ṣe o. Ìwọ nìkan kọ́ náà kọ́ fẹ́ ṣe. Ìwọ nìkan náà fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Ìwọ nìkan kọ́ náà fẹ́ drag. Ìwọ nìkan ló kọ́kọ́ lówó. Well, she should just continue what she knows how to do best. That is just all I can say. Continue. Continue. So guys, let's hear your opinion on this matter. You think this is a normal?